So P400 graphics card installing in the HP Z2 Workstation. What you need to do is you need to unclip and take it to the side. And then need to clip back the plastic brackets that hold the plates in. I need to take out the metal plate, the top metal plate. Get the P400 card in place. Make sure you got it seated in correctly. And then it will clip into place, like so. And then to put back the plastic brackets. And then place back on. And your adapter will then go into these slots here.